Here we have a 114C shoulder clod. The shoulder clod is comprised of three major parts. We'll have the top blade, the shoulder center or the tricep muscle, and the shoulder tender or the petite tender. Since the introduction of the flat iron and petite tender, most shoulder clods now no longer have the petite tender attached to the shoulder clod. So you can now buy these separately as a 114F, the Beef Chuck Shoulder Petite Tender. The remaining two pieces of the shoulder clod are the top blade and the arm portion of the clod. So the next thing we're going to do is remove the top blade from the arm. We're going to do this by identifying the seam right next to the tricep muscle or the arm. Sometimes people refer this to as the shoulder heart. We're just going to follow the seam and we're going to cut straight through and we're going to remove the top blade. So now we have the top blade, the shoulder arm, center or heart, and petite tender. The top blade contributes about 30% of the saleable yield of the whole shoulder clod. The arm or the shoulder heart makes up about 65% of the total saleable yield, and the petite tender or the shoulder tender contributes about 5% of the saleable yield. To learn more about how to add these beef flexible shoulder cuts to your menu, watch Cutting the Top Blade, Shoulder Center, and Petite Tender.